Hi, my name is Patty. Thanks for clicking on my channel, Winning at Weight Loss. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Today is day 15 of my NEWvember accountability challenge, halfway through. So if you'd like to see what kind of food I eat in the day on the WW points plan, be sure to watch this video. For breakfast this morning, I'm having another breakfast sandwich. I have a 2-point English muffin with a 2-point piece of American cheese, and then I'm putting some bacon on that. It is ready cooked bacon, and that is 2 points. And then I'm going to add the egg to make the sandwich complete. There's my egg, and there's my sandwich. So that is my breakfast this morning. It is 6 points for the sandwich, 1 point for the iced coffee. I also am adding a mandarin orange for 0 points. Since it's close to holiday season, I've been using this peppermint mocha 0 sugar. It is only 1 point for 2 tablespoons. So that's my breakfast. Well, I had some leftover fiber gourmet, so I made a bowl of macaroni and cheese like my mother used to make a long time ago. She made a roux out of some milk and some flour and added the American cheese, and I added some fat-free cheddar cheese, and this made a excellent tasting bowl of mac and cheese, and I will put the points on the screen. So that is my lunch today. So for dinner tonight, I am making some baked fried chicken. It's a recipe from Skinny Taste. And what I did was marinated the chicken in some salt water, and then I made a rub. And I rubbed the chicken down. It's got garlic and paprika and some salt and some parsley and some Italian seasonings. And then I put spread a little bit of light mayo on it, and then I put some panko breadcrumbs. And what I'm going to do is spray that, and then I'm going to bake it in the oven for about 30 minutes. It is only going to be 1 point per piece of chicken, and I think it's going to be good. So we'll see how this tastes. This is the first time I've made this recipe. There's what the chicken looks like when it comes out of the oven. It's a little browned. Let's see how tender it is. So there is my dinner tonight. I'm having some broccoli for 0 points. I'm having the chicken. It is only 1 point per piece, and it's 6 points for the chicken rice-a-roni. So this dinner is 8 points. I'm having today some popcorn made with my microwave 0 oil popcorn maker. So this is 0 points. And I sprayed it with this theater butter style popcorn. It is good, tastes just like theater popcorn, so it's a good snack, and that's it for the day. So that's going to be the end of day 15 of my NEWvember accountability challenge. I ended the day using 28 points. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified of every time I upload a new video. Remember, we're here to eat healthy, get fit, and be well. This is Patty, and I'm winning at weight loss. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.